Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm actually redoing a recipe, but with different flavors. And that's my Puffy Omelette. I don't know. I just felt like trying something new. So remember my 3-bowl method for separating eggs, where I just simply pick up the yolk, let it drip, put the yolk in one bowl, put the white in the other. So you want to do that because it's the safest way to do it. Okay, now see, this broke on me. Okay, if I had been doing it over one and it broke, then I would have had to get rid of that egg and this egg. But I can scramble this one later. So I'm going to put that to the side and get me another bowl. Alright, let's try this again. Alright. Okay. So if you watched my last video, you found out that those white things, see there's a really good one there, the white thing attached to the yolk, that's called the chalaza. And a lot of people would toss those, but they're actually, you can eat them. It doesn't affect the quality. Did I break another yolk? Wow, I'm 2 for 2 this time. Okay, so I don't want to get another bowl out. But the thing is, since a yolk broke in this bowl, I'm going to have to wash it with hot soapy water before I break another egg. Alright. Alright, so I'm ready to do the egg whites. So this time around I got cream of tartar. And I'm going to put about half a teaspoon in there. I just sprinkle it a little bit. A small pinch of salt. And that will actually, whoo, I got a little more than I needed there. What that salt will do, let me put a little here, will help the egg whites fluff up better as I make them, as I whip them up. Alright, so let's get this started. Okay, so I'm going to check to see if it's at stiff peak, and I would say that's stiff peak right there. Alright, so before I did this, I did preheat my oven. So now I'm going to whip up the egg yolks very, very quickly, and I'm going to put just a few drops of lemon. I got to get that seed out of there. Instead of vanilla, this time I'm using lemon as the flavor. And I'm going to put just a spoonful of sugar in there. Just a spoonful of sugar. Oh, did you see what happened? My flour fell apart. Oh, I don't have time to worry about it now. So you want to whip these up till they're lemony yellow. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is fold the egg yolks into the egg whites. So I'm going to move the egg whites to the side. And of course you want to do this as quick as possible because you worked really hard to get that air in those egg whites. And actually what I did, I put air in the egg yolks as well. Alright, and then we're going to gently fold these. And as we do this, I have a pan that's been heating on low. And I'm getting ready to put butter in it. And we're going to cook this together. Okay. So we just fold this gently, as you see. And it's okay if there are streaks of white in it. That's alright. Alright. So let me go ahead and get you over to my skillet real quick. Alright, so here we are at the skillet. And I'm going to spread this butter out. And you hear how hot that skillet is? So we're going to just cook it for like about 3 minutes or so on the stove top. And of course, my oven is heating up. Alright, and it only takes about 8 minutes in the oven to complete. So there we go. Putting my egg whites and yolk mixture in there. Fast as I can. Okay, put this to the side for now because I need to spread this quickly. Alright, so we're going to let this cook for about 3 minutes because that gives it the color that it needs. There we go. On the outside. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to make, either you can call it a mousse or you can just call it whipped cream. But I'm going to mash up the dragon fruit. I don't know, I guess this is a little over a 1/4 cup of dragon fruit when it was in the pieces. And I have about a cup of cream. And so I'm going to smash it up first. Alright. And now I'm going to whip the whipping cream up. And so you want to work fast when your omelet is in the oven. And I had everything sitting. So let me go ahead and get started with the whipping cream. Oh, I forgot. I need to add a little bit of sugar in my whipping cream. Just a spoonful. I don't need that in there. So just a spoonful of sugar in the whipping cream. Okay, and I've got cream going every which way. Ooh, flying! Alright, so now what I'm going to do is put the dragon fruit in here. And I got about another 2 minutes before my omelet will be done. So you want to get as much of that out because dragon fruit is expensive. Alright. Oh, I spilled some. Alright, I'll clean that up in just a minute. Alright, so what I'm doing is folding the dragon fruit into the cream. Actually helps if you hold the bowl to the side like this. Look, it's beautiful pink color. Alright. So the next component of our puffy omelet, I'm just gonna, oh, let me put this to the side. Okay, on top. Sometimes it's hard to know where to put things. Mess. Okay, so my next part is my banana. So I always open my banana from this side. I don't know why, because I was watching National Geographic and that's how the monkey opened it, so I figured a monkey would be an expert in bananas. so that's what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and slice up my bananas, kind of big chunks. It looks like big irregular chunks. Alright. And so I got my banana. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my omelet out. Okay, so I have my omelet out now. And let me see. I'm trying to get it centered for you a little bit. But I got to work fast. So what I'm going to do is I loosen it up from the sides. See that? Okay, so then what we want to do is we carefully go around. And you know what? It looks like this one's going to break on me. And that's okay if it does, because you're going to just put it on top. It looks better if it's not broken. Let me see. Let me get the aid. Oh! Really? One of those days. Wow. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to use 2 spatulas this time to move it. Okay, we got it over there. Woohoo! Let's move this out of our way. And this as well. Alright, so we have our puffy omelet here. And so now I'm going to decorate it. So this time I'm going to put bananas in it. Okay, so we got our bananas. And on top of the bananas, because I know you're like, just plain old bananas. No. I'm going to put lemon curd on top of the bananas. So we got our lemon curd. And then on top of that, we're going to put a few mint leaves. I actually brought a mint plant. And then on top of that, I'm going to put the dragon fruit cream. How's that looking? A little bit more right here. All right, so now I'm going to fold the top over. Oop. Like so. All right. Alright, so I don't think I'm going to be able to move that one to the center. Now, once I have that, so people can know, I should have saved a piece of banana. That's alright. What's in it, I'm going to put a little dollop of the custard. And a little dollop of the dragon fruit cream. And then we're going to put... Well, we need to put the, well, okay, I'm just going to do this. I'm not going to put powdered sugar on it this time, because it's got a lot of sugar as is. So, you always want to do your mint like that, like in 3s. Okay, so, there we go, my newest creation. Banana, dragon fruit, lemon curd omelet. So, just felt in a creative mood today. So, I'm going to cut this in half and serve it to my mom. It didn't hold up as much as I thought it would. But you know what? I think it'll still taste great. What do you think? Alright, so let's cut this baby in half, see what it looks like. This one is so much messier. Okay, it's just going to look like a big cream puff on the inside. You see that? Alright, so there's Mom's piece. And here's my piece. Mom's piece. My piece. Alright, so didn't want to leave you hanging. So I'm going to tell you what it tastes like. I'm kind of holding it with one hand, the camera. Alright, so the lemon curd mixed with the, not passion fruit, the dragon fruit cream. It's not bad. Oh, it's exotic tasting. Alright, now with the banana, and there's a mint in there too. Dang, that's a big bite. Alright, I'll try to chew fast so I can give you feedback. Oh, wow. It tastes like a tropical delight. It's really good, and the mint, that hint of mint in there, it really sets it off. It's a lot of flavors in one, but they're really good together. Alright, one more bite. Alright, well, thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.